Dollar Tree, and more Dollar Tree. Let's do a Dollar Tree haul. What's up, everybody? It's Jamie. I'm back with another Dollar Tree haul. I've got some fun stuff right now. I've got a mix of stuff again. My Dollar Tree store, has not been putting out a ton of Christmas, or at least I haven't seen a lot of new Christmas. I'm kind of disappointed. Like it's November. It's time. So this Dollar Tree haul is going to be a little bit of a mix of stuff. There's still some really cute stuff in here though, so you know, it wasn't a total waste by any means. So let's just start with the first thing that I'm going to grab. This Snowflake. It's going to be used in an upcoming Dollar Tree haul. They had these last year. I used this actually, I think, in a Dollar Tree, or I said a Dollar Tree haul. This is going to be used in a Dollar Tree DIY. So more to come there. By the way, it's like 70 something degrees here in Georgia. And I'm like, it's November. We need cold. We need Christmas. So that's why I've got the digital fireplace. I did put up my grandma's tree, but that's all I've done so far. I'll do more though. Some mini cups. I know you're like, what? But there's a DIY idea coming up for those. These I teased at the very beginning of this video, and they did not. Whoa. In full disclosure, they did not come from Dollar Tree. I got these at Family Dollar on the way home, so I figured I'd just share them with you. How cute is this? It is a disco ball garland, and I thought that this could be perfect for the holidays. Now, these were actually sitting on a shelf. They were sitting on some random shelf, and I thought that, I don't know if that's from like the birthday section or the party section, but it's going to be a party where I'm at, and I don't really know where I'm going to do that, honestly. Probably in the craft room, because here in the living room, I'll put my Christmas tree up that has navy, go figure, and of course it has like gold and bronze and things like that. So that will be up. How cute is this, by the way? This just blank from Dollar Tree. Perfect for a sign, if you're going to make any kind of a sign, if you're great at painting, if you've got a Cricut or vinyl cutting machine of some kind. Super, super cute. Thought that was great. It's from Crafter Square too, by the way. But yeah, fun. I did something to my back, so I might be shifting around a little bit. This wood round, I think that's supposed to be a basketball, but I'm using it on that side. So this is for a DIY project coming up as well, from Crafter Square. It's just a layered wood shape. And I needed something that was round. Speaking of round, how cute is this? I love these oversized Christmas ornaments that you can get. I was lucky enough at the beginning of the year, or the beginning of, I guess, Christmas coming out, that I got some navy of these. So, because that's part of my tree that will be here in the living room. I grabbed a couple things too. These are newer, or at least I haven't seen these at Dollar Tree before. This is the Shirley Temple 7-Up. Have you guys seen this before? I have not seen this before. I don't think I've ever seen this, and snagged that. And then ginger ale, because I love ginger ale, especially with my bourbon. And I wanted to grab one of those to have that for the bar here at the house. And then I'm thinking the Shirley Temple mix, that would just be good with maybe like some cranberries or something in it, make like a little cranberry punch. And it'd probably be good with bourbon and vodka and things like that too. Only if you're an adult, of course. This is a fun little touch light, similar to the other touch light that Dollar Tree had. This one, however, runs on I believe it runs on a battery anyway. And let's see if I can read. Yeah, it does. It runs on a battery. You may remember the one that was kind of a dome shape. That one was plug-in. You had to use a USB. So this is a little different. I don't know how to go. There's another one that's all like bright and it looks like crystal, and it like lights up. It doesn't light up a room, but it puts out a lot of light. I have not been able to find that one at my Dollar Tree yet. If you guys have found it, let me know in the comments, because I've seen it like all over TikTok. I've seen it all over different places, and I can't find it. These are super good. This whole grain brown rice packet, and then this chicken flavor one as well. These are really good. I like to keep these in the cabinet. Easy kind of for any kind of grab and go meal. If I've got, you know, any kind of protein and veggies, I can just make a quick, like, almost like a little stir fry or something like that. I am looking at my hair. I really need a haircut. Let's see. This I thought was super cute. It does need a little zhuzh, a little love, but this $1.25 also, this kind of glass container. The button detail is just gonna go. But I thought it was kind of frosty looking, almost kind of looks like, you know, something maybe good for Christmas. That's what I'm gonna try. I told you guys in my last video that I am back at the office now, and we go in just a couple days a week. So I like to bring my lunch on those days, and I grab these containers. These McCormick containers are pretty good. I've actually had good luck with these, and this is a special 4-pack. So I wanted to grab 8 of those. And I found that I don't know why I just said that really loud. I found that the buying containers like this all in the same size is actually better for me and just for organization in general. When you have a bunch of different sides and different, you know, sizes on them, it's just too much to keep track of. And I have a very small kitchen, so yeah, you know, we got to deal with that. These are some of my favorite things. I love these floating candles from Dollar Tree. Anytime I see them, I will always grab a couple of these, and they're great, especially for those round vases that they sell at Dollar Tree. They're really fantastic and super cute. And by the way, I did grab a crispy Diet Coke, and I took a swig right before I started shooting this video, so I may be a little burpy, and if I am, I apologize. Hot tamales, believe it or not, I'm going to be using these in a DIY video coming up, so that, more to come there. These little candy canes are just great. I love to have little candy canes like in a candy bowl or something on the table, especially around the holidays, and you know, friends come over or whatever, so it's silly, it's fun. This, the tag is coming off here, but this candle I thought was really pretty. This was in the plus section. It's $3, but it's just so pretty, right? It's perfect for, I mean, look, it looks like you could put it on that little virtual table back there. And it doesn't smell really good though, I'll tell you that. It kind of smells like coconut and cigarette smoke. Yeah, it's kind of what it smells like. It says red amber, but I don't think that's red amber. That's nothing I've smelled anyway. But the good thing is the coconutty part of it is a little heavier than the cigarette smoke. So being silly. These fillable ornaments, I have a super fun DIY for these. I'm very excited to share with you guys. So this will be coming up, and it's not just stuffing them with something. It's a little more out of the box than that. This is kind of where we get into some of the Christmassy stuff. This is not Christmassy, but it will be Christmassy when I'm done with it. So this little glass trivet. It's funny, I guess they call it a cutting board. I've seen these at my Dollar Tree store a lot, and then sometimes they don't have them at all. And it seems like anytime that I need one, typically they're not available, but this time they were available, so that's cool. Do you guys remember the candy jars, the plastic candy jars, the kind of dome ones? Well, now they've got them with the gold lids, which I thought was fun. I bought these before in the clear plastic and the clear plastic lids, but never found any with the gold. But ironically enough, I've actually spray painted some of these lids different colors, so that's kind of fun. Odie bud, come here. He just like did a little zoomy by, and then he looked at me and then zoomed by. So it's like, okay, you want some loving? Come here, buddy. Come say hi to everybody. Right, I'm patting him off camera, but he'll pop in just a second. All right, I got some reindeer, some cute reindeer for an idea for a DIY coming up. Odie Bug, what you doing, buddy? These are super cute too. These wood frame packets that you can get, they're like laser cut, but they're wood frames. There's 4 of them in here. That means they're really thin. And I did grab 2 packages of these because I was thinking about a DIY idea for those as well. You probably already have an idea of what the DIY possibility could be. And then these are super, super cute. This Nutcracker. I bought 4 of them alike for a very special DIY. So that will be a DIY idea coming out soon also. And Otis decided to go that way, so he's not going to come say hi. But that is everything for now. Oh, I did grab these, but I started munching on them already. These hot and honey cheese doodle things, they're good. Take it from me. They're really, really good. I introduced my sister, my brother-in-law to them, and now my sister looks for them all the time for my brother-in-law because he really likes them. So anyway, that is my, oh wait, I do have one more bag. I knew there was something I was forgetting. I have a bag that I did not open because it's got a bunch of Dollar Tree florals in there. And I'm trying to just kind of keep them together. But it's some picks. Some holiday picks. We've got that one with the flowers. We've got that one with kind of the sequin balls there. I grabbed 2 of the sequin ball ones, and then I grabbed this as well. I actually love to use floral picks on a lot of my like wreaths and different things. Floral picks are great to also use in your garland and everything. So if you hear something in the background, Otis is literally zooming all over the house, so he won't come over here and say hi. All right, now that is my Dollar Tree haul for today, and I'll chat with you guys soon. All right, bye.